Mandy. Your name is Mandy? Mandy? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Your girl got her hair done. And it was long overdue. So let's just, I ain't gonna lie. Cute hairstyle, I love it. Only thing is, these get so bad. I'm gonna have to go through and untangle. It's okay. It's okay. Your girl got her hair done. I missed it. So, fun fact about me, I can cook and I can bake. Like from scratch, whole 9 yards, I can bake. I'm a baker. I'm a cooker, but I prefer to bake over cooking because I just love sweets. And I learned all of that from my beautiful granny here. She finna get so many cameos in my vlogs from now on. But like, she taught me everything I know. Whether it's cooking, baking, don't let the box fool you. I can get down in this kitchen. I know how to bake, like on some like real life baker type. Like, that's what I do. Anything, everything. No limit. I make the best sweet potato pie. Argue with your mama, not me. I said what I said, and I bet your mama will agree too. Anywho, finna be in here with me while I whip it up in the kitchen and you know, do my baking thing. Yeah. Regular brownies. Atrox. Why do these last so long? 2020. Alright, because this is hectic and all over the place. Recording and baking is so hard. I didn't think it'd be this hard, but like, how do people just be doing this? Because I be forgetting I gotta talk. But I threw away my hand whisk mixer, and I really don't feel like bringing out the standing one. That may just be lazy. So I'm gonna do it with hand. But while I do that, let's chit chat, you know? I promise you I cannot talk to y'all and do this. But I was eating some of these, and I was like, ooh, they'd be really good in the brownies. And so I'm gonna chop these up and put them in there. And then I was thinking, like, at first I was like a cream cheese like topping. I couldn't find cream cheese because apparently everybody and their mama wants cream cheese, because I guess y'all are gonna use cream cheese for Halloween. I don't freaking know. And so I was thinking maybe something with like sweetened condensed milk and I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. All of that in here. So I'm gonna like whip this and then come back. So yeah, that's probably gonna take me a minute. But it's gonna be a split second. Like, imagine you came back and like the whole kitchen was on fire. I got all of that whipped up. This isn't anything new. I am always all over the place. Maybe it's my ADHD. Like, I be thinking of everything at once. And then I'll be like, where do I start?
We like to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide for me, you're the man tryna get in the bed. So wanna get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Not the words you want, you say no more. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You be doing what you doing, make some more. I can tell your friends if you want to come. You like to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things.
That's just how it is. Dang, bro. Mind you, it says that right here. They just finished. I had a little bit left over, so I put some in a loaf pan. I made a little loaf because they say brownies always taste better the next day, especially after being put in the refrigerator. And since I made like a little loaf, I was like, I can wait. I'm patient. So I put the brownies in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna let them, you know, do that thing in the refrigerator overnight. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna show y'all. My bad.
What's up?
This isn't what I look like. Your expectations.
Okay, fine. It's with the brown hair.
It's a look I could.
This was so random. I'm sorry. I'm so sidetracked. I'm watching.
It's always the superhero. It's hard to know.
I'm watching Dispatcher, and I'm looking at the good and bad choices.
Because I like you. And I think you like me.
I just wanted to hear you say it.
Hey. Expectations.
Mandy.
It's always the superhero.
Your name is Mandy?
It's hard to know.
Mandy? Period. But Mandy, though?
I'll take a little bit.
Why no, they're actually cute.
I keep wondering if I cross your mind. Do I linger in your
What type of ice cream is supposed to be?
So,
What up, chat? I'm gonna taste my sister's cooking today. Obviously, I'm gonna say it's trash, whether it's good or not. That's pretty obvious.
mind you, he's gonna eat all these brownies.
Uh,
Damn.
probably
Put
like
them back in the
6 of them.
It's 6. It's the next day. Go. Can you choke a little quieter? So, I finished the brownies. And I had this dope idea. I mean, it's not like it's new. But instead of me doing like a ganache on top, I made it into ice cream. And I added like the loaf brownie cake I made with the rest of it. I put it in the ice cream, and so now it's like a chocolate red velvet situation. It's good though.
Alright, the ice cream first. We gotta taste the ice cream.
Okay.
I'm not gonna smack you after this video, nigga. No, I don't want it to be TOS, so I probably gotta smack you after the video.
Absolutely keeping this camera rolling. Now taste the brownie.
Now we're gonna taste the brownie with the ice cream. Alright, chat, so you might not see, she might not be making any more videos for you guys. Okay, because I'm finna slap the freak out of her.
Bro, mind you.
This is too good, chat. No cap. How many more?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna eat the rest of these, chat. How it taste to you?
I did that.
Yeah, you did.
All made from a box. It'd probably be way better if it was like homemade. Whatever left the heat. That's what it looked like. This is the ice cream and then this is the brownie. This is what the brownie looked like. Super thick. But it's good. And those are the cookie pieces that I put in it. Also, I cut the top of it off because it was like a lot going on. I just gave it to you.
All right, I'm gonna smack you.
Anywho, alright, I'm finna end this because I gotta run actually. Anywho, I gotta close it. Get away from me. So, you know, if you enjoyed the content, please make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Bro, can you get from behind me? Cause I feel like you're gonna hit me the moment.
Like, comment, share, subscribe for more of this fantastic content.
Period.
Only delaying the inevitable. What did Thanos say? Why you gotta pause, bro?
No, you're gonna hit me. That little nigga behind that smiling evil. Great.
But, oh, but.
You been at work. Right?
Thoughts like a slow groove. When you're drowning in your world, then my your lifeline is my memory, a rhythm.